I'm going to be straight with you. For last 3 months, I have been building things nobody asked for. And I need to talk about that before we go any further. I built with Paperclip, an agent orchestration framework, OpenClaw, a multi-agent system. Both of them are open source projects. I spent weeks configuring, documenting, refactoring, nothing real shipped. Not one paying customer from any of it. Not one single dollar. Today is the last video of this series, and it is the one I should have made first. Every agent framework, every orchestration wrapper, every multi agent system people are hyping right now, they all have one thing in common. They are a YAML on top of Claude. That's it. Paperclip YAML on top of Claude. Crew AI YAML on top of Claude. LangChain agents, you get the idea, right? The problem is not that they are bad tools. The problem is what they cost you. Every layer between you and Claude burns tokens. Every abstraction layer is another thing that breaks. Every framework you install is another thing you have to maintain. I had to feel this in my own business to believe it. And when I finally deleted all of it, Paperclip, OpenClaw, DenchClaw, the whole thing, my CRM still ran. My email still sent. My YouTube pipeline still worked. Because none of that was working on my frameworks, it was running on real infrastructure. This is what actually runs the business. You talking to Cloud Code directly. No middleware, no middleman, no wrappers. Cloud.md is your operating system. Every context Cloud needs, your business, your contexts, your rules, your workflows, lives in that file. Cloud reads its every session. That's your memory layer. I use DuckDB as database. I have around 3005 contacts there. It's local SQL, zero extra tokens. I query it with plain English and Cloud write the SQL. I use direct REST APIs, YouTube, Mailgun, that's it. No Zapier, no N8N, no Make.com. The whole business, the blog machine, the email campaigns, the YouTube pipeline runs on that stack. The question I ask before adding anything new, does this add capability or does it add just complexity? Paperclip added complexity, DuckDB adds capability. So here's what we are doing in April. Me, you watching this, all our members, we are all going to use Cloud Code to build real things in our businesses. Not demos, not frameworks, not proof of concepts, real thing, shipped in production. I wasted 3 months on setup porn, configuring things that never ran a business, building tools instead of using them. That ends today. The April sprint is simple. Every day, one real problem, one cloud code session, one thing shipped. That's it. If you are a business owner and you have been watching people build AI tools, wondering when it becomes useful to you, this is your moment. Not building agents, not learning Python, just you, a terminal, and cloud code, solving the actual problem in front of you. The lab is where this gets practical. Every session I run in April, you get to see. Every workflow I build, you get the Claude.md, the script, the whole thing. This series was about documenting an honest build in public, day 1 through day 7, the good days and the days where I had to admit the whole direction was wrong. Let's see what business value it can drive for us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.